How to manage bookings and appointments easily on your website? Just install the Bookit plugin, a great tool to automate bookings on your WordPress site. Bookit is an excellent addition to any platform where reservations and appointments are held on a daily basis. Confidently manage the services you provide, add staff members, and control their schedule. Approve and cancel appointments. With flexible settings, email notifications, and online payments, you will instantly improve your booking system. By a few clicks, add a calendar on the page. You can use Elementor and WP Bakery page builders or add it via shortcode. On the calendar page, you can navigate the actual calendar and look through all the appointments. Colored dots indicate the days with actual appointments. Yellow ones specify the bookings waiting for admin's approval. All requests can be managed in the appointments section. Approve, cancel, or edit reservations by clicking on the appropriate button. Filter requests based on their status. Create and edit services that you provide and categorize them. In the staff section, add staff members that will be responsible for one or more services. Specify their working hours. Do you want to manage a payment system as well? Upgrade to Bookit Pro and get Stripe, WooCommerce, and PayPal integrations. Customize your calendar, set up the currency, design email templates, and enjoy the reliable booking system that will make it easy for you and your customers. Invest in your services. Download the Bookit plugin right now.